Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. We're on the same day as those cinnamon things that we made before.
Hey.
And now what I did, I want to show you the price so you see that I'm not, lying. Got me a whole boiled chicken for $4.48.
All right.
So what I'm going to do with this chicken is I'm going to cut it in four. This is how, a little bit hard there. You gotta like break it, you see? Now we're gonna break it across here, okay? There you go. Look at Michael. Michael's like, damn, Mom.
All right.
See? So that's 2 halves, as you can see. But now we're gonna make 4, because I'm gonna cut the leg here, okay? And this is what you do. You just follow the spot where the leg is.
Butcher up, butcher up.
Here we go. Right there. There you go. And, see? So we got the leg and the breast, but we're going to take this out. Eh? That really, we're not going to need it.
All right.
And just give me a second, guys. I'm trying to show you guys how I do this. Eh? So this is a perfectly breast and wing, right?
Oh yeah.
And then
over there
right
on the
here,
pan.
Yep. Hold on a second. This I throw out. That's just like the bone. And this is the other leg. But if you see that fat, it's going to be cooking with the same fat. All of it. You'll see. So that's another piece. I'm going to put it up here, Mike. So you can see. So you can see it too as I clean this. And here I'm going to take the other. This one is going to be easier because you see, I already took the rib out. But what I'm going to do, I want to leave the 2 pieces of breast like this.
Looks real nice.
And I'm going to put it there. And if you give me a second, we're going to season it now with a sazon that I just made fresh from scratch. Guys, so I cut the chicken as you saw me in 4 pieces. So what I did was, you see these little holes, this was with this knife. I went like this because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this sazon that I made. Now this sazon consists of 3 cloves of garlic, a bunch of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 chicken bullions, some apple cider vinegar also. And let me see what else. I think that's about it, right, Michael? Some pepper.
Oh, yeah.
I said the pepper already, and I just put it in here and I blended it all together. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a spoon, and this is what I'm going to do. Because what I'm going to do is I put the oven on 400, and we're going to cook this. It doesn't need all this sazon, but what we're going to do is we're going to rub it around it like this. You can smell the sazon, Mike?
Oh yeah.
It smells really good.
Herbs and spices.
They sell it in the store. You can buy it. You can buy, and blend all your... Oh, and an onion, a quarter onion I took. And this is what it's going to look like. Let me taste. I can just eat that sazon. It tastes really, really good. So I think I'm going to put some foil paper on. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to throw it in the oven on 400. And I'm going to leave it on 400 for half hour. And then after half hour, I'm going to take the foil paper out. You guys are going to see me doing it. And then we're going to make it to a crisp where I want all this skin that you see here nice and crispy. So it's going to be something delightful to eat today and to watch as it unfolds. And it's going to be really, really good. I know everybody's going to appreciate this. This is something very easy to do. Look at the sizes of those pieces of that chicken. And I said all we paid was what, Mike?
$4.
$4 and change. Because they don't sell it for more. A lot of people don't buy them whole because they don't even know how to cut it. And I show you guys what to do. I know. So the reason I'm taking all this foil paper is this has to be really nice and airtight. See how I'm doing this?
That's right.
Because you don't want any of this coming out.
Oh no.
And then we're going to put it in the oven.
That's right.
for half hour, like I said.
Oh yeah.
And in half hour, I'm gonna take it out. That's probably the pan is gonna be like full of water, but that's from the same chicken. You know,
Yes.
releasing its juices.
Yes.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off so then the skin on the top can crisp, and we're gonna put it on broil in the oven. And it's gonna be delicious. And I'll see you right back. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can go down if you want, roll down. And if you want to donate $1, you can donate $1. If not, it's okay. And you can also, if you want to try to get some dog food and treats for your puppies and cats, just go to lifesabundance.com/for-all, and that will take you to my link. And you can purchase your food and see what we got and take it from there. But don't forget to come back. We're coming back in half hour. Let's put the time on this, Michael.
All right.
Time.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. And when we come back, let's see what's going on, and we'll take it from there. Because this is going to be something simple and that you guys can make, and you're not going to spend a lot of money on it. I promise you. I cook for like very, very low prices, and everything is delicious. Oh, my kids and my family, everybody says, Mama, that's like restaurant style. Okay? So I'll see you soon. So we're going to be taking our pollo out. Look how beautiful it is. How'd that look, Mike?
Beautiful, beautiful.
That's right. Look at that. That looks, look, it's still, you can hear the glistening. You hear it?
Oh yeah.
Okay? Of that chicken is perfect. I made some sweet potatoes and some corn with that. So you know that the first piece that I'm going to take out of that is going to be for that. But whatever piece, what piece you want, Michael, I'm going to give Michael a leg.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You
Oh, yeah.
want some, you know? Okay.
Look at that, look at that.
What I'm going to do, whatever I'm going to give that this
Oh wait, I need a
piece.
thumbnail. Let me get that thumbnail right there.
Go ahead.
Should it be this one? Or that piece right there?
Go
Or
ahead.
maybe that
Take
piece?
them all. Take
Yeah?
a picture of all. Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
And then we're
alright,
gonna put it
alright,
on,
alright.
and you can hear that chicken. Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, chicken sizzle.
Look at that. Sizzling. Look at that color.
Hold it right there, hold it right there. Hold it right there.
Mm-hmm.
One more. Beautiful.
So what I'm gonna do,
Cut it
I'm
up,
gonna
cut
go
it
like this,
up.
not cut it out, but this one is gonna be for that. So I'm
All
just
right.
trying to cut it. I
White
want you
meat
to-
only, of course.
I want you to show inside how nice
Show
and
inside,
moisture,
show inside.
you know.
Go ahead, spread it.
And look at that skin, really nice and
Tender, but crispy on the outside.
crispy.
Tender on the
crispy.
inside, juicy. Not dry, like chalk.
Look at that, it looks wonderful.
Mm.
So anyways, with that, guys, I'm gonna let you go. This is my baked chicken with sazon made from scratch. And I'm gonna let you go with that. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try to make it. I know all Latino moms out there and Spanish people like us and guys also that have their cooking channel, they cook this all the time. This is something wonderful. So I'm gonna put that there. That piece is gonna be for the husband. And I'm gonna commentate that for him while I talk to you and tell you guys to follow us on Instagram and on Twitter.
Like us on
And,
Facebook.
and like us on Facebook and wherever you guys think that you guys can go ahead and follow us, then you guys go ahead and do so.
That's right.
And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't drink and drive, you know what they say out there. And I love you all. And don't forget to subscribe and see you tomorrow.